Hello everyone, today I will show you how to select text in a text box in Google Spreadsheet. Now I'll select this text from this text box. Simply click on this text box and select. Now click this three dot option and select edit option. Now double click on this text box and see this mouse cursor showing. You can select a specific text dragging your mouse or a specific word, or you can press Ctrl A select whole text. Now click right button. Here you can cut or copy. Now I'll copy this text. Save and close. Now I'll put this text box. Edit option. Edit. And double click on this text box. Now press Ctrl V on your keyboard. And see this text now copy. Again you can select this text here, a specific text, word or character, dragging your mouse, or press Ctrl A select whole text from the text box. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.